Welcome, everyone. In today's session, we'll dive deep into the Six Sigma DMAIC framework. We'll explore what deliverables are expected at each phase and how they slightly vary depending on whether you're a yellow belt, green belt, or black belt. Let's get started. Define phase is like making a sales pitch. You're convincing leadership that this project is important, urgent, and aligns with business priorities. Change management also begins here, setting the right tone with the right team and communication plan. As a black belt, you're responsible for building a complete charter and change management plan. Green belts create a simple charter and define preliminary team roles. Yellow belts understand the goal and help brainstorm the SIPOC, identifying how the process looks at a high level. In an insurance company, a green belt project was launched to reduce claims turnaround time by 7 days, identified during the define phase. In a call center, a yellow belt helped outline the SIPOC by explaining how complaints were received and escalated. Remember, you're selling the importance of the project, not solutions yet. Measure phase is where assumptions stop and facts begin. Our goal is to understand how the process really performs today. Accurate, reliable data becomes the cornerstone for the rest of the project. Black belts lead CTQ identification, detailed data collection planning, and conduct measurement system analysis, or MSA. Green belts assist in MSA and capture baseline metrics. Yellow belts help in data gathering activities, ensuring the consistency of how data is recorded. In a BPO, a green belt led a project tracking average hold times by agent, finding wide variations. Meanwhile, a black belt conducted a gauge R&R study to ensure timing devices measuring machine cycles were accurate. If the way we measure is flawed, any improvement we claim will be questionable. Analyze phase is like becoming a detective. We move from observing symptoms to uncovering root causes. Good projects don't jump to conclusions. They use data to validate where real problems lie. Black belts validate causes through hypothesis testing and normality analysis. Green belts perform simple root cause analyses like fishbone diagrams and 5 whys. Yellow belts assist by providing observations and participating in brainstorming sessions. A black belt at an insurance company used ANOVA to validate that one branch consistently had longer claims times. Meanwhile, a green belt created a fishbone diagram to understand high patient wait times in a hospital. Dig beyond obvious symptoms to find hidden root causes.
A black belt ran a pilot at one branch before deploying new invoice software across all offices. Meanwhile, green belts brainstormed and proposed faster call handling scripts after studying best practices. Think of improve phase like a prototype test. It saves you from full-scale failure later.
Black belts use advanced tools like QFD and run detailed pilots with full risk mitigation plans. Green belts propose and test practical solutions, usually within their departments. Yellow belts support the pilots and give important frontline feedback. A black belt ran a pilot at one branch before deploying new invoice software across all offices. Meanwhile, green belts brainstormed and proposed faster call handling scripts after studying best practices. Think of improve phase like a prototype test. It saves you from full-scale failure later. Control phase is about protecting the gains we have achieved. Without strong control mechanisms, processes tend to slip back to old habits. This phase is about embedding improvements into everyday operations. Black belts build detailed control plans and dashboards and update SOPs. Green belts focus on simple control charts, updated work instructions, and team training. Yellow belts monitor new procedures and flag deviations early. A shipping team introduced dashboards to monitor on-time delivery rates daily. Green belts conducted training sessions to ensure employees followed new quality checklists. Control is like installing guardrails, making sure improved performance doesn't go off track.